Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working. Let's get started. First check that you haven't airplane mode and that your mobile data are turned on. If the personal hotspot still cannot be enabled, then open the settings, next select mobile data and tap on Setup Personal Hotspot. In my case, to enable personal hotspot on this account, I need to contact my mobile operator to connect a mobile internet plan. If you have a mobile internet connection, then return to Settings, swipe down, select General Settings, swipe down again, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode, confirm that you reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Confirm our iPhone is restarting, and after that you can use your mobile hotspot. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck. See you next time.